We're all happy, aren't we? It's a beautiful morning, isn't it? The hallway is full of students. You're a little tired today, aren't you? I'm not the only one feeling sleepy, am I? Our teacher is already in the classroom. She's always early, isn't she? She isn't in a bad mood today, is she? She's smiling and talking to everyone. She's not ignoring anyone, is she? She isn't being strict today. The lesson today is easy. We're not confused, are we? This part of the book is fun, isn't it? It's not boring at all. My friend Lucas is good at English, isn't he? He's helping the others, but he's not showing off. He's just trying to help, isn't he? He isn't making anyone feel bad. We're all learning together, aren't we? Nobody is being left behind. We're not giving up. That's the best part of this class, isn't it? The bell will ring soon, won't it? Break time is always too short, isn't it? But we'll be back after lunch. We won't forget our books, will we?
Like and subscribe to the channel.